Hey guys, in today's video, we will solve NID's question paper. We will also see how to analyze paper and crack design entrance. So let's get started. Which of the following logo is of Amazon.com? The answer is B. In this logo, or I like to call it as identity design, we see an arrow from letter A to Z, which symbolizes that they sell everything, and this also symbolizes the smiles of the customer. So the insights we get from this question is the logo of the top companies all over the world and India is important. Background and news of Amazon is important. Just after googling the name of the company, we find that Jeff Bezos is stepping down. Then an important question arises कि who is going to take his position? So who is Andy? I'm leaving you guys with this question. Now coming to the next question. Who is Greta Thunberg? To be very honest, I know her from the memes on Instagram. We all remember this picture, right? We need to look into all the other options and find the important personalities regarding that topics and try to study visually because images can help you remember things for a longer duration of time. Which one of these principles is Velcro? The answer is hook and loop. Understanding material and basic concepts of science can also be asked. Identify the logo from the options given below. ये लोगो तो मोदी जी परेशान हो गए सबको करवा के. So this is Aadhaar card. Arrange the following art and design movements in the correct chronological sequence from the oldest to the most recent. So the proper sequence is Renaissance, then Impressionism, Bauhaus, and Postmodernism. That is CDAB. I'm attaching a link of art movements in the description below. So that would help you understand about design movements. Question 6. Elon Musk is in the business of making सब कुछ तो करता है Elon. So to solve this question, we'll see what he doesn't do. So in option B, we see shape-shifting mobile phones. So option B can be eliminated. And in option D, high-performance gasoline. So that can also be eliminated. In option C, we see haptic holograms. He has done some work on it, but isn't into that particularly. So the answer is A. Renewable rockets, solar roof tiles, and transportation tunnels. In short, billionaires are important. At the end, I feel there is a very high possibility that you get a question regarding Richard Branson this year. So do your research, keep learning, keep growing. Peace out.